Lori here with my crafty mind for you, and I thought I would try something. I have had these wax seal packets sitting in my possession for quite a while now. Almost embarrassed to say how long. I don't know if it is just because I'm nervous or I just was afraid to use them, but I think now is the time to try. So, I've never done this before. I'm sure that it's not going to be perfect, but then again, who knows? We shall see. I don't know exactly how much of this wax I should put into here. We'll start off with one. Might not be quite enough. I'm working with two different wax seals. They're both by the Paper Studio. Both of them were purchased at Hobby Lobby. And, well, I guess I will try gold since I have these little, whoa, too many, these little bits here. I don't think one's going to be enough. But, well, we'll see what happens. Anywho, we're going to be working with, I hope you can see that, a rose and a pineapple. So, I have a piece of wax paper here with a white little index card on the bottom of it so you can actually see. I chose to do it on a wax paper because I really didn't want it to go on one of my projects and then it just not work out for me. I don't know how long I'm supposed to hold this. I know until it melts, but like I said, I've never done this before and hopefully I won't burn the wax. We shall see. It's sizzling here. Maybe I've got it a little too close to the spoon. Probably should have watched a video before. It's melting, well, not at a very fast pace like I thought it would. Definitely is turning the bottom of my spoon black. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Live and learn, right? Trial and error. Like I said, I hope I don't burn my wax. We shall see. Another reason I thought of doing these on wax paper was because I don't know if these are usable. It was very hot. If or once they are put down. Whoa, that really turned my little spoon quite dark there. So you can see, I don't know that I did that right. We'll shoot for the pineapple. I said I don't think I put enough. Oh, wow, that did come out quite cute actually. It did not stick to the little, I don't know what you call these little wax seal holders. I'm sure they have a special name for them. I don't know what they're called. Anyhow, let me show you how it turned out. I think I should have left it on there longer to get a better impression. Hope you can see that. We'll try a different color. But I was hoping that this would be able to be scraped off to use on a project. Maybe glue it down, but apparently I don't think that's going to work. That's why I use the wax paper. And, well, didn't think about cleaning my spoon. I guess I got to do that, right? So I do have some baby wipes here handy, and hopefully now that the wax is hot, it will work and take the wax off of my spoon. And it did. Okay, it also took off the majority of the black smoke. It is quite warm. Be careful you don't get burned. I did notice a little bit of bending on my spoon. Okay, it's probably not called a spoon. It's probably called like a ladle or some fancier word. I don't know. But if you know, leave me a note in the comments below and I'll learn. Okay, so let's try and melt some wax into the spoon and see how that goes. Been such a long time that I've melted a candle. Here we go. It is a process. Maybe I'm breathing too much. Hold it up a little higher. I don't know. I must be doing something wrong here. Somebody knows what I'm doing wrong. Let me know in the comments below. I'd sure hate for this wax to dry before it actually gets pressed. It is melting very, very slow. Like I said, I have never done this. I should have watched a video on it before, but I didn't. So that's my mistake. I think you get more bang for your buck buying the little jar of bits. Seems that way, because I think I'm going to need quite a bit melted off of this, and then hopefully it's even melted enough to fall out of my little ladle here onto my wax paper. I don't know, guys, what do you think? I think I need a little bit more to get a good impression. It was a little shallow for the pineapple, and this one is a rose. It's not quite as deep. We'll try it about right there. Oh my, I probably shouldn't have done that, right? Actually, I still have a wick. Okay, still smoking. Okay, here we go. I think I'm going to need to remelt this. All right, so back to my spoon. Probably would have been better off chipping a piece of this off. But I wanted to try both ways to see which way was going to work best. Because it looks like it already got a little bit hard inside the ladle, and it did. Now it's beginning to move. I hope you can see that. A little bit higher. And let's see what we got. Oh, sorry about that noise. That one looks better. I don't know exactly how long I'm supposed to leave this on there either. Oh my. Okay, so that one was a boo-boo. A little bit of a boo-boo there. I think I left it on too long. Well, let's try again. This time, I'm going to take my palette knife and I'm going to cut, if I can, not strong enough, and I don't have a knife handy. I'm gonna try and chip away some. No, that ain't gonna work. I know what I'll do. I'll hold it over my spoon. Try and melt it that way. Maybe not. Okay, so I think kind of burning my wax from the wick that went into it when I first Just wanted to melt it faster, so I thought if I held the lighter to it, it would melt much quicker, and it did. But that's not the real way to do it. So I don't suggest you try that. Again, sorry about the smoke. Let's try this again. We'll go a lot faster, hopefully. Maybe just scrape it out before it dries up. And I know this is definitely not what you're supposed to do, but hey, we're learning, right? No. Didn't stick to my wax paper. It stuck to my seal, guys. Well, trial and error. It's gonna take some practice, I suppose. But look, peeled off quite nicely. If I would have had enough wax in there, I might have been able to actually use that. So I don't know if you can see that. I sure hope so. So let's see what we got here. Let's see if it peels off the wax paper like I thought it might. That's the next. No, it's not gonna peel off the wax paper, guys. And if it does, I'm sure it's going to break. Or the wax paper is going to stay stuck to the bottom. So what not to do when using wax seals. I hope this helps, because definitely showed me that I need a lot more practice using these. My first time, not too shabby. I learned. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll be back with some more videos, hopefully sooner than I had. I just had a lot going on, moved recently, kind of had to put my channel on the back burner, but hey, I'm back now, and let's see what we can get going on here. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and hit the notification bell at the bottom so you won't miss the next video coming up. As always, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.